Good morning friends. Today we discuss about the tears of salivary gland from B.SC. third year class. Paper number 2, Mammalian Histology. In human being, alimentary canal is associated with digestive glands which develops from the gut but remains outside the gut. The digestive glands are salivary glands and as well as liver, pancreas. These are digestive glands. These salivary glands pour their secretion into the mouth cavity, and liver and pancreas secretes their secretion into the small intestine part, that is duodenum, through the hepatopancreatic duct. These digestive glands, liver, pancreas and salivary gland. Today we learn about the salivary gland. These salivary glands mainly includes glandular structure. It is also called as secretory structure, and this glandular structure mainly secretes the saliva. This saliva is watery in secretion and rich in enzymes. These glands, salivary glands, are found in 3 types of salivary glands are present. First gland is parotid gland. Second gland is submandibular gland. It is also called as submaxillary gland. And third one is lingual gland. Lingual salivary glands present. 3 types of salivary glands present. These 3 types are exocrine glands, and exocrine glands mainly their secretion carries with the help of duct. So in human being there are 3 types of salivary glands: parotid gland, submandibular gland and lingual glands. These 3 types of glands are exocrine. In exocrine glands, exocrine glands carries their secretion with the help of ducts, and these exocrine glands, again 2 types of glands are present. First is unicellular gland. These unicellular glands present goblet cells, and multicellular glands present lacrimal glands, and all these type of salivary glands are multicellular type of salivary glands. These exocrine glands mainly the main parts are present. Main components are: first component is parenchyma. And this parenchyma, it is called as a secretory or glandular part. This exocrine gland main component present is parenchyma, and this parenchyma is secretory or glandular part. Second part is stroma. In exocrine gland, connective tissue present, and this connective tissue called as stroma. Next part is ducts. Different ducts are present, and these ducts carry secretion towards the excretory duct. And last part is blood vessels are present in these exocrine glands. This parenchyma tissue forms the main secretory unit is acini. In parenchyma, secretory unit is acini, and this acini is secretory unit which secretes the saliva. These acinis are again 3 types. First acini, it is mucus alveoli. Second is serous acini, and third one is seromucous acini present, and this seromucous acini is called as mixed type of acini in salivary glands. In salivary glands, different types of salivary glands present: parotid, submandibular and sublingual glands present. Let us start with the parotid gland. This parotid gland is largest gland among the salivary gland. This parotid gland is largest gland among the salivary glands. These parotid glands present in man, dog, as well as cat and rabbits. Entirely it is serous in nature. These parotid glands entirely serous in nature and mainly secretes watery secretion. This watery secretion is rich in protein, and these parotid glands are 2 in number and located just in front of earlobe. Located just in front of earlobe. Parotid ducts, also known as tension duct. These parotid duct, main parotid duct, it is called as Stenson's duct, and this Stenson's duct carries their secretion towards the mouth cavity into oral cavity. Each gland is surrounded by thick connective tissue, and this thick connective tissue capsule forms the septa, and these septa enters into the gland. This connective tissue septa enters into the glands and forms lobes and lobules. In pancreatic, in parotid glands, here these fat cells are also present. We observe in this diagram, yellow colored these fat cells, it is also called as adipose cells, and these adipose cells present in between the connective tissue of parotid gland, and then these fat cells are increased in number with the age. The serous cells are rounded. These serous cells mainly pyramidal in shape. Here I am drawing simple diagram. Here these serous cells are pyramidal in shape, and these pyramidal shape entirely in the center star-shaped lumen is forms. These cells contains rounded nucleus located towards the base, and cytoplasm contains secretory granules, and these secretory granules are zymogen granules. Zymogen granules are present towards the apex region. In these cells also mitochondria present. Here mitochondria present, Golgi apparatus present in between the secretory nucleus and secretory granules and nucleus. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is also present. Here rough endoplasmic reticulum present in the cytoplasm, and these basket cells are also present in cytoplasm associated with the parotid serous acinous gland, and these basket cells are contractile in nature. They help to discharge the secretion. These basket cells helps to discharge the secretion into the excretory duct. Diagnostic feature of parotid gland. These parotid gland mostly serous in nature. Fat cells are also present in parotid glands, and basal or basket cells are present in these parotid glands. Next glands is submandibular glands in our list. These submandibular gland is also called as submaxillary gland. These are located below the jaw, and in man and other mammals it is mixed type of glands containing both serous and mucous cells, and main duct present, it is called as duct of Wharton. In submandibular gland, main duct present, this duct is called as Wharton's duct, and these open into the mouth beneath the tongue. These submaxillary glands are 2 in number, and mainly these submandibular glands contains mixed type of glands, that is we see the serous cell in submandibular gland. Also mucous cells are present. These mucous cells are also pyramidal in number, and these mucous cells are pyramidal in number. Nucleus located towards the base, but nucleus is flat due to zymogen granules. Nucleus located towards the base. Shape of nucleus is flat. When cell is full of secretory droplets, the nucleus becomes flattened in the basal part of cells. Again, in this cytoplasm, secretory granules are present, and these secretory granules is mucigen granules present. Here Golgi complex also present. Rough endoplasmic reticulum present, but this rough endoplasmic reticulum is less in number, and serous demules are present in mucus. Here crescentic shaped serous demules present along with the secretory granules. Here in mucus cells, cap-like structure of serous cell present, and this cap of serous cell, it is called as a serous demulins. It is also called as serous demulins. This serous demulins is cap-like structure present. Here in this submandibular gland, intercalated ducts are short and narrow, and at the base of some mucus alveoli is present. These mucus cells secrete viscous fluid that contains mucin. Here viscous fluid that contains mucin, and this mucin is secretory granules secretion. The glands exhibit well defined capsule, stroma, and duct system. Here in this salivary glands, duct system is well developed, and this acini is connected to the intercalated duct further joined to large duct. It is called as striated duct, and striated duct pour their secretion into the excretory duct. Here two types of ducts are present: intralobular duct and interlobular duct. Intralobular ducts present inside the lobule, an intralobular duct. These present between the lobules within the connective tissue septa. Here diagnostic feature of this submandibular gland. Here serous acini more than the mucus and presence of serous demules present. Mixed type of glands. Submandibular gland is mixed type of gland. Let us start with the lingual, sublingual salivary glands. These lingual salivary gland is also mixed type of glands. Here mucus secreting cells are prominent than the serous cells, and these sublingual glands present in man, dog, cat, rabbit and sheep. This gland is smallest among the salivary gland and mucus cells are more in number. In rat, the gland has two pairs, major and minor salivary glands located below the either side of tongue, and duct present in this gland. It is called as duct of ravenous. In sublingual gland, duct present called as duct of ravenous. Serous cells occurs in the form of demulsions around the mucus acini, and the gland secretes mixed type of secretion. The salivary gland have rich blood supply, few lymph vessels present, and nerve supply also present. Here diagnostic feature of this lingual gland. Here serous demulsions present in large amount. The salivary functions of salivary gland. Salivary gland mainly secretes saliva rich in protein, and different enzymes are present. These enzymes are useful for breakdown of carbohydrates. This saliva is also antibacterial, antimicrobial agents and lubricates the passage of food, also normalize the water balance. This is all about the histology of salivary gland. Thank you.